another video on the Golf. I'm going to show you how to reset your inspection and oil service lights if you need to without VCDS or OBD11. So what you need to do is first of all turn your ignition off. You need to hold down the trip button, turn your ignition back on, click, and it will bring up the oil service. Then you click again to reset the oil. To reset the inspection service, you need to do the same procedure. So ignition off, hold down the button, turn on the ignition, click and hold until you get to the service inspection, then press again, and that will reset them both. So that you'll have a full year and full mileage back on your service and oil inspection. And if you want to check, as an added bonus to this video, what your interval is currently at, if you go to your multimedia screen, press on the car, press settings, scroll down to the bottom and you can see service. And now you can see I've just reset them just now and it's back to 18,000 miles in a year and 9,400 and a year. So if you don't want to reset or you've not got the thing on, but you want to see how long it is until you service, you can go in the menus and actually see how long it is till your next service. If you like the video, please like, favorite and subscribe, and go watch some other Golf videos that I've got. I've got one putting reversing camera in and a couple of other things that you can do around your car. So I will see you on the next one. Peace.